Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am taking a look at Greedy Red EA for MT4. We'll go through the MQL5 Marketplace page, examine its core features, review the historical testing information provided by the developer, and discuss some important considerations before using it. Now, starting with the marketplace page, Greedy Red is currently priced at 129 US dollars, with several rental options available for traders who prefer to test the software before purchasing it. The 1 month rent is 69 US dollars, 3 months going for 79 US dollars, 6 months 89 US dollars, and 1 year 99 US dollars. The current version is 2.7, and according to the listing, it was last updated on August 30th, 2024. Now, as I scroll through the description, the developer explains that this EA is built around volume profile FR. Unlike traditional volume indicators that focus on candle volume, volume profile FR analyzes volume at specific price levels. According to the developer, this helps identify important support and resistance zones where price may potentially react or reverse. The EA uses these volume-based support and resistance areas as part of its decision-making process. Looking further down the page, the developer also explains that Greedy Red detects divergences using an RSI divergence indicator and opens positions based on those signals. One interesting aspect mentioned here is how positions are managed. If the market moves in favor of an open trade, the EA uses a trailing stop mechanism to manage exits. If the market moves against the position and a new divergence signal appears, the system may open an additional trade using a martingale approach. All right. Now, the developer also states that all positions, including stop loss protection, while profits are managed through the trailing stop system rather than fixed take profit targets. Moving into the recommended trading conditions, the EA is designed for several symbols, including Euro USD, USD JPY, USD CAD, AUD JPY, AUD CAD, Euro NZD, NZD CHF, NZD CAD, CAD JPY, Euro AUD, CHF JPY, XAU USD, and others. The recommended time frames are M15, M30, H1, and H4, with M15 specifically highlighted as the preferred time frame. The developer also recommends low spread brokers, preferably ECN accounts with a minimum leverage of 1:30. Minimum deposit recommendations are listed as $100 for cent accounts and $800 in standard accounts. Now let us move over to the historical testing section. When reviewing any backtest, it is important to remember that we are looking at historical analysis rather than future performance. Historical testing can provide useful insight into how a strategy reacted to past market conditions, but results can vary significantly in live trading. All right, so let us start by looking at the provided report here on the marketplace page. This is showing us $1,000 to $1.5 million. We're using the high risk mode between 2010 and 2022. Okay, I can see here initial deposit is $1,000, total net profit 5,131.48. This is $500 one pair in a year, 10,000%, 20 pairs in a year. Okay, and then the equity and growth curve is quite steady, although there were noticeable drawdowns on several intervals. Okay, and here we have 2018 to 2022 XAU USD M15. The risk level is 2 Initial deposit was $300. Total net profit was over $40,000. And then here we have the win rate at 72.73%. Let's just head over to our strategy tester now. Let's see how this greedy red EA performed on Euro USD on the H4 time frame using the every tick modeling over the past month. Okay, remember that it is better to test over a longer period of time. Okay, but just for want of time, because the EA seems to be taking a lot of time for the results to be out, so that's why I just had to test over the past month. At least let's see its 1 month performance. But of course, it's not sufficient enough. So here I can see that within the past month, just 3 trades taking 40 cents loss from an initial deposit of $10,000, and the largest profit was $6, largest loss $8.41, average profit $4, average loss for $8.41. So this shows that the average risk to reward ratio was bad. Okay, and I'm going to turn on the visuals as well. Let's see how this EA performed. Let's see how this EA looks like in action. Okay, while the visuals are on, I'm just going to take this back a little bit. Okay, and let us see what we have here. So now, when reviewing any backtest, it is important to remember that historical analysis does not guarantee future performance. All right, and looking at the completed historical, activity, the behavior described by the developer suggests that the system combines divergence detection with volume-based support and resistance analysis. The use of trailing stops means positions may remain open while trends continue, while additional trades may be introduced if new qualifying divergence signals appear during adverse price movement. Now, I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Testing different symbols, spreads, and broker environments can often reveal additional strengths and weaknesses that may not be visible from a single set of historical results. As for the historical testing performance shown by the developer, it is important to remember that actual results can vary depending on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, and user optimization choices. Overall, the greedy red EA for MT4 is a volume profile based trading system that combines support and resistance analysis, RSI divergence detection, trailing stop management, and martingale position scaling. As always, I would encourage anyone interested in the EA to perform their own testing and optimization before considering live deployment, so they can determine whether it aligns with their own trading objectives and risk tolerance. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.